how to move Safari address bar from bottom to top on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can move your Safari address bar from bottom to top on your iPhone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to move your Safari address bar from bottom to top on your iPhone, it's actually very simple to do that. Because if I open the Safari browser, you can see the address bar is at the bottom of the screen. If I want to move this to the top because you're friendly with the top interface, well, you can actually do that as well. But keep in mind that you need to be in some kind of page, because if you're on a blank page just like this, so you will not be able to do it. Just make sure you're on any page. It could be any website or whatever else. Once you make sure, on the bottom of the address bar you'll find this double A icon, right? Because if you're not in any address bar, you'll not find those icons. Just tap on the bottom icon over here and then you'll find the option called show top address bar. So all you have to do is just go ahead and then tap on the show top address bar button. So when you tap on the show top address bar, your address bar will be moved to the top. So if you want to actually go ahead and change it, now you can switch between bottom, and then if you want at top, you can just select the top option here. This is how you can move your Safari address bar from bottom to top on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.